Okay, we're going to talk about miscellaneous signs. The first one is a little bit different. It's not something that we have in English. We do, but we don't have a name for it. In ASL, we call it the agent. Oftentimes, you'll hear people refer to it as the ER. For example, you have your teacher. See how she did the part that comes straight down? That's kind of the outline of the person. That's your agent. So it can be person or your agent. We have it for teacher. We have it for lawyer. It also used to be for student because student was the learner. And so it was the person that studied. And so they're studying. And then it was the put on it. So the agent, you guys need to know that one. So there's the agent, okay? So now the sign for same. The sign for same is the directional. So it could be the same as the signer and the person in front of her, or the signer and the person beside her, or it could be the two people in front of her that are the same. That's a directional sign. Different. Right, like in being correct, not right and left, or not in having the right to something. This is in being correct, right. Wrong. Good. You'll notice that's the same as thank you. Bad. Forget. That's you just wiped it right out of your memory. It's gone. You forgot it. Remember. There are different signs for remember. This is the first one you're going to learn. Remember. Fingerspell. Going back to the remember, if somebody tells you a sign that's different, if you're talking with a deaf person and they show you a different sign, never correct them. Accept their sign and go on. Assignment. Homework. Homework is a compound sign. You have home and you have work. We do that too, just like in English. Homework is a compound sign. In ASL, you have compound signs. Deaf. Deaf comes from the fact that most deaf don't speak and they don't hear. Hearing. I think it's interesting, the hearing, they don't talk about their ears. They talk about the fact that the hearing people speak. Hard of hearing. That also has another sign or another meaning, hard of hearing. You'll see that sign for something else later. I think it's in Unit 2. Slow. So this is when somebody's signing too fast for you, you can look at them with this scared face. It's slow, like slow it down. Again. So you could say please. Again. Slow. And then I'm like, oh, okay, she's new. He's new. I'll help him. Like. And this is with the feel finger or the 8 finger. You get a lot of emotional signs with that. Like, don't like. That's, you're throwing it away. The thing that you like, you threw it away. You see that again with want. Want, you're bringing it towards you. And then you don't want. You bring it towards you and then you throw it away. The last two are yes. That's kind of your head is shaking up and down. Now no, we can't take our head and no, we can't do that. That's not no. No comes from finger spelling N-O, N-O, and then it became its own sign, just N-O, no. So we have yes and no. That's it for your miscellaneous.